Greg Zimmer, ABC Keystone. We're in the middle of August. We got E&G Concrete out here doing our flat work on what will be the office edition. We got Jeff Young with us, who's the foreman with E&G, and I think they start a little before 7. It's 5 after 12, and what do we got going on right now?
He's panning it right now. The machine flattens the slab, and we put another machine on to smooth it out.
So this is like the second to last step before we see the final product, and then we let it dry.
Yep.
That gives you a little touch about what we have happen today. It was an exciting deal. Thanks for Jeff Young helping us learn a little bit more about our exciting project.